Guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lana and today I was supposed to take you guys with me on a productive day at school. I got a message from school saying that school's cancelled. Well, not really cancelled. We're gonna get online school today because apparently we've got a snowstorm. What? A snowstorm? Really? I didn't watch the news or anything, so I think I missed it, but I'm gonna open my blinds and we're gonna look at the snow because apparently it's snowing really bad, so we'll see. I also have to clean my desk because what is this? What's going on? I'm so sorry. But anyway, let's open the blind. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. And it's still snowing. Oh my goodness. This is crazy. Wow, I am literally flabbergasted because there's so much snow. Wow. Oh, also don't mind the dead ends. Okay, I'm gonna cut my hair in spring, I think. But yeah, and these big hair ties. But anyway, it's snowing. So yeah, I'm not able to go to school because I have to go to school by train and bus. And the trains don't ride today because of the snow on the rails and stuff. So I'm gonna have to think about what I'm gonna do today, because I also wanted to go to the gym, but I don't think the roads are safe to ride my bike there because I don't have a car. I only have my bicycle, and I don't think that's safe because it's pretty slippery. So yeah, I'm gonna have to think about what I'm gonna do today. Well, I do have the online school, like I said. I think it's only one lesson, and the other lesson we're gonna get like a different assignment for. So yeah, at 2 I have to be in the online lesson. So yeah, and it's like for like 1.5 hours long. It's medical calc, so yeah, really annoying. But anyway, I'm gonna have to work on it, so yeah. And I also have to walk Mia, and Mia really likes the snow, but I am gonna wait till the snow starts to settle a bit because it's like really windy and really like the snow is coming down really fast, and yeah, I'm really excited though. But I have to think about what I'm gonna do because I wanted to make a really fun video for you guys, but it isn't going that well. So yeah, maybe it's gonna be fun. Maybe I'm gonna make a snowman. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do is tidy my desk because it is a mess. And yeah, I need to have it like tidy before I do the online school because otherwise I cannot work with it. So yeah, really fun. Oh, and also guys, my grandparents ordered a puzzle for me, like a photo puzzle, so I'm gonna have a puzzle with this photo. Let me just get it for you guys. It's the photo of my horse, Philinda. She's such a cutie. This is so cute. There was a little bit of snow there, but oh my gosh, you cannot see it. Girl, focus on the phone. Anyway, you get it. Such a cutie. Really nice. So yeah, there was a picture from yesterday, and yesterday was like the tiniest bit of snow, so yeah, and today is a snowstorm. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna take Mia out for a walk, I guess. Mia, come here. Mia, come here. Come on, get up here. Get up here. Oh, my little baby. Look at the snow. Oh my cutie. Mia's my literal best friend.
Hell no.
Right, Mia? And we're gonna go for a walk. And then we're gonna go inside or maybe play with the snow outside. Oh, you're gonna go? Okay, bye. Bye, baby. And bye, baby. Okay, anyway, I'm gonna take her for a walk. Oh. Mia! Mia! It's really cold, guys. Okay, so I'm back from walking Mia, and the snow is like going crazy. That's why I didn't film that much. I think I only filmed like 2 or 3 clips maybe, but that's because look at this. I'm gonna show you guys. Look at this, guys. You see the snow everywhere. Everything is so white outside. It's getting crazy. I am going to the gym later tonight with my dad because my dad is going as well, but with the car. So I'm gonna go with him. But when he's at the gym, he's always there for like literally 3 hours because he's going with friends of him, and they're talking like so much, and they're like resting so long between sets because he's doing deadlifts or something. So I get it, but 3 hours is freaking long because I'm done in an hour. Okay, so I am gonna work on some school before the online lesson starts. It's almost 11. Yeah, and my lesson starts at 2. Okay, so I made a what is it called, a to-do list on my whiteboard, and yeah, these are my favorite people, so cute. Don't mind the YouTube pattern. Normally I put the video I want to do on the board, but I just wiped that away because I had to make my to-do. But I have to make my practice writing exam. I already did one of them. Oh my goodness, Mia. I don't know if I'm being chaotic again, but yeah, that's just me. That is just me, okay? So the thing I'm gonna do is make the second practice writing exam, and then we'll see what I'm gonna do next. I'm gonna film some things for you guys, of course. Okay, so I'm back inside. I just slipped and fell, so I've got a really big bruise on my hip and it's really painful, but yeah, I have school now, so I'm gonna go. Bye. I'm doing medical calc, but yeah, I've got to finish 2 more things. Sorry, oh my goodness. I have to finish 2 more like practice exams for this as well. So yeah, let me just show you what I look at. Oops, don't want to show you my teacher. So I finished everything. We don't have to do this one, but I still have to do this and this, so yeah.
You're now tuned into the people's DJ, the one and only DJ Arlo. Te amo, she says to me. I hear her name in her voice. Then we danced underneath the candelabra. She takes the lead. That's when I saw it in her eyes. It's over. And she said, te amo. Then she put her hand around my waist. Told her no, she cried, te amo. Told her I'm not gonna run away. Let me go. I saw you to cry. I'll ask you why. I said, te amo. Somebody tell me what she said. Don't mean I love you. Think it means I love you. Don't mean I love you. Te amo. She's scared to breathe. I hold you.
Okay, so I just finished these 3 and I'm really happy because I got 100% on all of them. Okay, so I'm back. Sorry for being gone for a while. Yeah, I did take a nap because I was having the worst headache ever. And then I ate some dinner. And I also played outside in the snow, but I didn't get any videos of that. And yes, now I'm gonna work on some more school because I do need to finish some of this. So let's go. Okay guys, I'm back. I stopped filming yesterday because I wasn't feeling well at all. I really had so much pain in my hip from falling. But anyway, I also was really like, I don't know, feeling really sick or something, I don't know. But anyway, I'm back now, and yeah, it's day 2 of online school. There's still snow. It did rain a bit last night, but most of the snow is still here. I have to re-braid my hair because it looks really uneven now. And yeah, I honestly didn't know what I was gonna do with the rest of the video because it's just me doing school stuff, which is kind of boring for you guys. But then I had an idea. I got my vision board right here. Let me show you. I made this in the last video, and I know it's gorgeous, but right here on the vision board you see the packages. This means that I want PR, or yeah, like a collab with like a brand. And I know that I have like I only have 70 subscribers, but you know, it's worth trying. So I want to try emailing brands that work with small creators. I found some emails on TikTok. Sorry, I found some emails on TikTok, and I am gonna try like emailing them and asking them if they want to do a collab with me or something, or like send me PR so I can promote them on my YouTube and TikTok. I have online school in a bit again. I also have to like tidy my desk again because it's a mess. I don't know why I can't keep this tidy, but anyway, yeah. I don't have any small hair ties. I only have these really thick ones. Okay, so the first lesson I have is like with my groups. We've got assigned groups for assignments, and yeah, that's for this one class, and both of my group members are stuck on their vacation destination because the airplanes won't land here because of the snow. So that's really annoying for me, not for them of course, because they're in like a really warm like country. So oh, this braid is looking ugly. Okay, so my ends are really dead. I'm so sorry for you guys having to look at this. Anyway, the second lesson I've got is my mentor lesson. She's just gonna call me and like ask me how, like what's going on, if everything is going great, and maybe we're getting some like assignment. I don't really know. And then we've got maths, and I don't like maths because I just don't understand it. But anyway, and I'm also gonna probably paint my eyebrows because they're so uneven, and I just do them with a pencil, and it takes my whole morning to do them. No, just kidding. I just don't like doing my eyebrows. So yeah, I'm gonna have to paint them. So yeah, I'm gonna get my iPad and start like emailing brands, or like putting the brands on a paper and then emailing them. Okay, I'm gonna write down the emails right now, and then I'm gonna like set up a mail. And yeah, so I'm gonna write them down real quick. Okay, so I wrote down a lot of brands that I want to email. Yeah, there's some really nice ones in there as well, and I'm really curious about which one is actually gonna like email me back or send something. Yeah, so the thing I'm gonna do now is make an email, like a pre-made email or something. Okay, so I made the email, and yeah, it's not too big, but it's also like short enough for them to be able to read it, because I don't want to send like such a big paragraph or like text, like just asking them for PR, because yeah, they're really busy and I just need something small for them to read, because if I'm sending them this much of a text, they're not gonna read it, I think. So yeah, I'm just gonna send it to some brands, and I'm really excited to see if I hear something back from them. And yeah, I'm really excited. So gonna do that right now. My school's also starting in a bit, so yeah, really excited. I got one message back already, but it's an automatic reply from Road. So yeah, I applied for Road Skin, so hopefully they want to collab. And I'm really excited because what if they want to collab? Oh my goodness, I'm actually kind of scared. But anyway, it would be really fun. So my school is starting. I'm gonna do my homework and stuff and start the lesson. And yeah, maybe we'll get some more replies. I'll update you guys, and if it's not in this video, maybe you'll see the PR in another video. Then you know when I did it. Okay, just finished my medical maths and I'm so done with it. But yeah, I'm finished. I only have to do one more like of the exams, but I will do that later on. But yeah, I finished those. Now I have to do my practice writing exam and then update my speaking exam, and then I'm finished for the day. So yeah, I'm really excited to be done. Okay guys, I just took a break from studying for quite a bit. I ate dinner and just watched a movie with my parents. So yeah, right now I am gonna paint my eyebrows. Yeah, so I have to take the pencil off and yeah, then paint them. Hopefully they turn out even, because I never tend to have my eyebrows even. Just look at them, they're so uneven now as well. But yeah, I'm gonna dye my eyebrows. I do not like how I look without my eyebrows, because I literally have nothing. This is not even everything off. Okay, let me just do this off camera. Guys, this is me without any eyebrows. I'm gonna go and put the dye on them because I hate how I look like this. Okay, the paint is on my brows. They're really uneven, but yeah, I couldn't get them any straighter or like any similar. So I'm gonna let this sit for 10 minutes. Ooh, I do have to clean up this because otherwise that will stain as well. Let me do that real quick. Okay, while this sits, I'm gonna do some more homework because that needs to be finished. And yes, I did just pop a pimple, so that's why my skin is really red. Guys, it's been 15 minutes. I was supposed to leave it on for 10. I have to take off this right side. The left side would have to take a bit longer. Oh my god, because I put that on later, of course. That has to sit for like 4 more minutes because I do want them to be turning out evenly. Oh my goodness, it looks so ugly. Okay, let me just turn off the camera because I don't like this. Guys, normally it's way darker, but I know it has to sit for like a night right now and then it's gonna turn out way better, but it looks really clear still. I do not like it. I'm just gonna go over it with my eyebrow pencil anyway, because yeah. And I'm probably gonna do the outro anyway, so you know what, I'm just gonna do the outro like this because I don't like the way my eyebrows look. Oh my gosh, I just touched it. Bro. Okay, now I have to take it off. Gosh, why does these things always happen to me? Okay, so I don't like how they turned out, but anyway, I'm gonna go to bed right now and hopefully they will look better tomorrow. And yeah, I'm gonna end this video right here. So thank you guys so much for watching my channel. Please like, subscribe and comment. And yes, sorry if it was like such a chaotic video, but yeah, that's just me. Anyway, love you guys. Bye.